Packing like a pro means mastering the art of minimalism, efficiency, and flexibility to ensure that no matter where you're headed, you're well prepared without being overburdened. It's about knowing what to bring, how to organize it, and making sure everything has its place and purpose in your suitcase. If you find these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest travel hacks. The journey to becoming a packing expert starts with choosing the right luggage. A compact, lightweight suitcase with smooth, durable wheels and compartments for easy access is ideal for most trips. If your trip involves navigating rugged terrain, an efficient travel backpack might be a better fit. With either choice, aim for carry-on size if possible, which will not only make airport security a breeze, but also help you streamline what you pack. Commit to this small space to minimize packing stress and make travel transitions more fluid. Next comes the concept of a capsule wardrobe, your greatest ally in packing light. This approach is all about curating a collection of essential clothing items that are versatile and timeless. Packing versatile, multifunctional clothing pieces allows you to mix and match without needing an outfit for each day of the trip. This means you can create multiple looks from just a few items, saving space and reducing the weight of your luggage. Aim for neutral colors and breathable fabrics that won't wrinkle easily and can be washed and dried quickly. Neutral tones like black, white, gray, and navy are perfect because they can be paired with almost anything, making it easier to create different outfits. For example, a lightweight black or navy shirt can be dressed up for dinner or kept casual during the day. These colors are not only versatile but also timeless, ensuring you look stylish no matter the occasion. And a pair of comfortable pants that look great in any setting can be essential. Choose pants that are both stylish and functional, suitable for a variety of activities, from sightseeing to dining out. Stick to a rule of 3 or 4 tops for every pair of bottoms. This ratio ensures you have enough variety without overpacking. Tops can be easily layered or accessorized to change up your look, keeping in mind that neutral, versatile pieces will pair together well for endless combinations. This strategy not only simplifies your packing process, but also ensures you're prepared for any situation, making your travel experience more enjoyable and stress-free. Packing efficiently also requires a keen awareness of your destination's climate and planned activities. For a tropical getaway, focus on light fabrics, swimwear, and layers to protect from the sun. But don't forget a lightweight rain jacket or packable poncho, as tropical climates often come with unexpected rain showers. In contrast, if you're heading somewhere cold, layers are your best friend. Start with a thermal base layer, add a middle layer for warmth, and top it off with a weather-resistant outer layer. These layers can be added or removed depending on changing temperatures and activities. Roll your clothes tightly to conserve space and prevent wrinkling. This technique can also make packing cubes even more effective if you decide to use them. Packing cubes are another essential tool for organizing and compressing your items. They come in various sizes and shapes, allowing you to customize your packing strategy to fit your needs. By dividing your items into separate cubes, you can easily find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. This method not only saves time, but also reduces stress, especially when you're on the go. For instance, you might use one cube for tops, another for bottoms, and even one for accessories like belts and scarves. This way, everything has its place. A smaller one for undergarments and socks ensures that even the tiniest items are kept organized and easy to find. No more digging through piles of clothes to find a pair of socks. Packing cubes not only make it easier to locate your belongings, but they also help maximize the available space by compressing clothes. This is particularly useful for longer trips where every inch of space counts. By compressing your clothes, you can fit more into your suitcase without it becoming too bulky or heavy. This can also help prevent wrinkles, keeping your clothes in better condition. Consider using a different color or size cube for each category of clothing. This not only helps in organizing, but also makes it easier to identify what's inside each cube at a glance. Making them visually distinctive simplifies the unpacking process at your destination. You can quickly grab the cube you need without having to open each one, making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Footwear can often be one of the trickiest elements to manage in a travel bag, but it's essential to limit your choices. Aim to pack no more than 2 pairs of shoes, a comfortable pair for walking, like sneakers or sandals depending on the weather, and a more versatile pair that can serve both casual and semi-formal occasions. If you'll be doing outdoor activities like hiking, Consider sturdy but lightweight hiking boots. Always wear the bulkiest pair on the plane to save space in your luggage. For toiletries, keep it simple and stick to travel-size containers that meet airline restrictions if you're packing carry-on. Bring only essentials like your preferred shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and transfer them into 3-ounce or smaller travel containers. Reusable silicone bottles are excellent, as they're easy to squeeze and refill. A toiletry bag with a waterproof lining can prevent potential spills from ruining your clothes and keeps items in one spot. Remember that many hotels and accommodations provide basic toiletries, so check in advance and avoid duplicating items. Packing tech gear and accessories has become a common need, even for minimalist travelers. Keep your essentials, like your phone, charger, headphones, and a portable power bank, readily accessible in your carry-on. For longer trips, a travel adapter and a compact power strip can be helpful, especially if you'll be in countries with different outlet configurations. Bundle cords with twist ties or use a small pouch to prevent them from tangling. You can also download essential travel apps, like offline maps, local phrasebooks, and public transportation guides to help reduce the need for extra guides or language tools. In terms of keeping documents organized, a simple travel wallet or document organizer is invaluable. It can hold your passport, boarding passes, Idaho, and any other important papers in one place. Digitize as many items as possible by keeping electronic copies of itineraries, reservations, and insurance information. Use a secure cloud service to save these documents, ensuring you can access them from any device in case of an emergency. A pro packer is always prepared with a few just-in-case essentials. A compact first aid kit containing Band-Aids, pain relievers, antihistamines, and any personal medications is a must. Even if you never need it, knowing you have these items on hand offers peace of mind. Similarly, a small stash of snacks like granola bars or dried fruit can be invaluable on long journeys or when local cuisine isn't readily available. A refillable water bottle is also essential, as it will keep you hydrated and save you from constantly buying bottled water. One of the biggest challenges in packing is resisting the urge to overpack. A smart way to avoid this is to try the half rule. Lay out everything you think you'll need, then put half of it back. If you're staying somewhere with laundry facilities or even a basic sink, you can wash clothes and reduce the amount you need to bring. Another technique is to avoid packing just-in-case items. If something is necessary but bulky, consider whether it's something you could buy or rent at your destination instead. For the flight itself, bring a small personal item that doubles as your day bag for sightseeing. A backpack or a stylish crossbody bag that fits under the airplane seat is ideal, holding your in-flight essentials like a book, travel pillow, eye mask, headphones, and some hygiene items like sanitizer and wet wipes. This personal item can also be a lifesaver if your checked bag is delayed, so pack a change of clothes and essentials here if you're bringing checked luggage. As you reach the end of packing, consider using vacuum-sealed bags for bulky items like jackets or sweaters, especially for colder destinations. These bags remove excess air, making them more compact and saving you significant space. However, keep in mind that these items will weigh the same even if they take up less room, so be cautious if you're close to weight limits on luggage. If you're traveling with valuables, keep them in your carry-on bag to reduce the risk of loss. Consider small, lockable bags or cases to add an extra layer of security. For jewelry, a simple pill case can help keep pieces organized and untangled. Lastly, a final tip for efficient packing is to create a packing checklist well in advance. This simple step can make a world of difference in how smoothly your packing process goes. By having a checklist, you stay organized, ensure you don't forget anything, and make it easier to pack strategically. It's like having a roadmap for your packing journey. Start with essentials like clothing. Think about the weather at your destination and pack accordingly. Don't forget toiletries, tech gear, and travel documents. These are the basics that you'll need no matter where you're going. Then add specialized items depending on the activities you have planned. For instance, if you're going hiking, pack your hiking gear. If you're attending a formal event, don't forget your dress clothes. Refine this checklist with each trip. After your journey, take a moment to note items you didn't use or things you wished you had. This will help you improve your packing strategy for future trips. Becoming a pro at packing is less about bringing more and more about bringing what's necessary and thoughtfully organized. It's about making sure you have what you need without overpacking. With practice and attention to these packing strategies, you'll find that traveling light and organized not only enhances your journey, but also lets you enjoy the freedom of movement without the burden of excess luggage. You'll be able to navigate airports, train stations, and bus terminals with ease, and you'll have more energy to enjoy your destination. So, start your packing checklist today and make your next trip your best one yet. And as you set out on your next adventure, remember that the real magic of travel isn't in the belongings you bring, but in the experiences you're open to having. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration.